How do you say it? Say cheese? Oh, okay, come on. How do you take a picture, Keilana? No, not like that. How do you take a picture? What do you say? No, get that out of your mouth. Great. I know, that's your foot. Get it off. No, no. Say cheese. No. Wrong. Okay, can you say cheese? No. Say cheese. Cheese. Okay, I am videotaping you, Keilana. Look it. I know. Mom. Mom. What? Okay. Say hi to everyone. Hi. You're really eating your foot, aren't you? Yum yum. Is it yummy? Yeah, is it yummy? Yeah. It doesn't look like it's yummy to me. I'm pretty sure Miss Julie thinks it's gross. Look at that. Ew. Say hi. You're really gnawing on your foot. And say hi. So I'm eating my foot. The other one's right here. Ah. Say hi. Say cheese. No. Cheese?